Here is Chrissie, Dolly's daughter, oldest daughter that we own, who as you can see is curious. And this is her son, Sonic Boom. Chrissie is also a rose grey, if I can get back far enough without her coming up to the camera. And she now leads the herd. She's quite friendly, quite the opposite to her mum. And her son also is very cheeky. It's called Sonic Boom because within about half an hour of being born he was racing across the paddock at full tilt. Here she comes again. Sneaky cheeky. Hey Sonic. These two are part of the Acapella herd. We have two herds running here, the Koroki and the Acapella.